AutoCruitment, we focus on identifying and recruiting patients for clinical trial participation. Our solution includes direct-to-patient advertising and end-to-end recruitment solutions to screen and qualify patients. So everything that we do has us focusing on engaging patients directly. And at AutoCruitment, we're very successful in doing this. We're able to reach a sizable audience. On a daily basis, at least 10,000 people are visiting one of our websites for more information about clinical trials. So as we close out the end of the year, one of our big goals is to develop solutions that makes it easier and more clear for those interested patients to find trials. This includes expanding our strategies for finding patients. It includes investing in improving the communication that we have for patients. We're looking into different technology solutions, including AI-powered solutions, to inform our creative messaging and the patient-facing videos. And last, it includes an investment in our technology platform to make sure that the experience patients have with our platform is seamless and more efficient for them looking for trials. Being successful in finding new therapies and bringing them to market takes a lot of creativity and innovation. Companies need to constantly evolve and try new things, as solutions are not always apparent for some of the normal stumbling blocks that surface. So my advice would be to evaluate your company's talents and the skill set gaps that you have and find ways to fill that. So that could be providing training opportunities to your existing staff or giving them exposure to other companies in your space or even other different market areas that can help bring in new ideas into your business. But I would also say look for ways that you can expand your team and bring in new talent and new perspectives, because that would be a way to make your existing team much stronger. There are 25,000 ongoing clinical trials now that are evaluating both existing and new treatment options. And success for these trials depends very heavily on volunteers who raise their hand to enroll in the trials. But one of the challenges that we see is only 10% of the population ever gets the chance to participate in clinical research. This is because most trials rely very heavily on the physicians that are hired to act as clinical research sites to find the patients, but only a very small number of physicians actually participate in research. So my advice to investors would be to invest in companies and solutions that allow the other 90% of the patient community to get access to clinical research. That means investing in companies that develop technologies and marketing strategies to engage patients and connect them directly to trials. I would also give advice to the pharmaceutical companies that are running these trials to make sure that you're incorporating a direct-to-patient strategy into your plan and not just relying on the clinical trial sites to find the patients. At the end of the day, given that larger patient population, access to research benefits them greatly because it may help them solve an existing health problem that they have, but it helps all of us as it helps advance science and get new treatments into the hands of those that need it much faster.